Well, I can't tell me lock up my phone, brother. My phone, though.
Sell myself. Sell myself.
Yo, one problem, man. I'm walking out there and I'm asking me, come back. What's in the bag? Right? So them tell me something I have new idea. Yes. But then start, hold on for me. What is it? Hold on. Easy. Relax. Easy. Relax. Hold on. Alright. What about that? Him just sitting there and ask me to search and bag problem. There's no bag problem in my bag. Come, forward, no? No way I hold on from my work. Who are you? Who are you? You fly? No. You fly? Yes, I'm back. You see you fly? Oi! Hold him!
Kill her to go out for the